Hey everybody, minus 18 degrees from the frozen north today. So of course I'm in the garage screwing around. And there's just a little quick tip, or I don't know if it's a tip or it's just a bit of info on making custom wire separators. I learned this many years ago on how to do this, and it's pretty simple. Go to the craft store, get some plastic, plastic, metal, beads, whatever you want, whatever color you want. And then you just take a zip tie, and it's slipped around and looped through, and this would capture the one wire on the one side, and then the other side you just zip it up like a zip tie. And this is what it looks like when it's done. I should have put the zip tie end on the other side. I'm going to redo that one. I don't know why I put it on the front. But anyway, it separates the wires, keeps them separated, and it's just like a little custom thingy that keeps them separated. Just zip tying them together would keep them together, and we all know why you don't want electrical wires or ignition wires touching. And yeah, that'll separate your wires. And you can use any color. Obviously, use color combinations in the zip ties. You can get them in all kinds of different colors. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps someone. Pretty simple.